You want to learn project management? Here is a brief video about the basics of project management. A complete introduction to be familiar and gain knowledge about project management. In this video, we will discuss about what is a project, the project concept, project charter, types of projects, project stakeholders, project program and portfolio, project versus product, project versus operation, project management types, project life cycle, project process groups, project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and project closing. We will discuss all these terms one by one. What is a project? A project is a series of specific tasks that is completed in order to produce a specific outcome in a specified time frame. According to PMBOK Guide, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique project service or result. Points to remember regarding a project. Each project has a goal, a project manager, specific tasks, shareholders, budget, timeline, temporary, and definite start and definite end. The project concept. A plan, an idea, a theme, or an initial statement for any project is called project concept. Each project starts with an idea, and this idea sets direction for that particular project. Project concept is the first step of each project, and it's used to guide for further decision-making process. Next is project charter. A project charter is a high-level project initiation formal document. Any project cannot be started without the approval of project charter. The project owner or sponsor issues a project charter. After the approval of project charter, the project officially exists. Project charter describes the whole project outline, project scope, objectives, goals, roles and responsibilities, shareholders, and project manager authority. A project charter documents the project title, the project purpose, the project objectives and goals, shareholders identification, project risks, project benefits, project budget, authority to project manager to spend budget and use organizational resources, and the solution for upcoming project problems. Now we will discuss types of projects. Each project is always different from another. The main types of projects are construction projects, manufacturing projects, management projects, IT projects, and research projects. Construction projects. Construction projects belongs to infrastructure, structure, and buildings. In construction projects, there is a new construction, renovation, refurbishing, demolition, etc. Examples: buildings, dams, mining, roads, bridges, tunnels, water and sewage lines, water treatment and petrochemical projects, etc. A type of projects where a new product is manufactured is called manufacturing projects. Examples: cell phones, new model of vehicles and equipments, etc. Management projects. Management projects include only management and there is no visible results. Examples: feasibility reports, study projects, marketing campaigns, new computer programs, introductions, etc. IT projects. IT projects belongs to IT infrastructure and computer technology. They mostly deal with the software developments. Examples: a large-scale computer software, a mobile app, software upgrades, clients and vendors database. Research projects. Research projects are temporary study and scientific projects. They can be new or an expansion on past work. Research projects create unpredictable results and mostly used to develop further knowledge. Examples: construction analysis, fast procurement system, supply chain management, etc. Project types according to financing. According to financing, projects can be public projects, private projects, and PPP projects, public-private partnership projects. Project types according to contract agreements. According to contract agreements, projects can be fixed price contract projects, unit price contract projects, cost plus contract projects, time and material contract projects, turnkey contract projects, EPC contract projects, build operate transfer BOT contract projects. Project types according to delivery methods. Design bid build projects. Design build or design construct projects. Construction manager at risk CMAR projects. Construction management multi-prime CMMP projects. Integrated project delivery. Design bid build with construction management projects. DBB with CM projects. Next, we will discuss the project owner. Project owner is an organization who is doing the project and receives the product. The project owner makes partnership with project sponsor and lead the project manager to complete a project. Project stakeholders. Following are some examples of project stakeholders: project sponsor, client, consultant, design office, contractor, project manager, subcontractors, customer, and consumer. Now we will discuss project stakeholders one by one. Project sponsor. According to PMBOK guide, a project sponsor is a person, a group who provides resources and support to project, program, or portfolio for enabling success. The project sponsor involves in project throughout all the phases. Mostly project owners hire the project sponsor. Client. Client is a person or an organization who is using the services of other organization and pays for that. A project is carried out for a client. A client initiates a project, make decisions, provide resources, approve plans and changes, and accept the project outcome. Next is consultant. In project management, a consultant is a firm who provides help and expert advice to clients, companies, and contractors for best possible solutions. Consultant implement plans for project completion and goals achievement. Design office. A design office is an individual, a firm, or an organization who prepare or modify the project design. Project design includes preparing drawings, design calculations, design specifications, and bill of quantities according to project requirements. Contractor. A contractor is an individual, a party, or a company who executes the project. A contractor is responsible to provide manpower, equipments, material, and other services for project execution. Subcontractors. A subcontractor is an additional individual or a company who is hired by main contractor to carry out some part of a project. Subcontractor provide agreed services to main contractor. Project manager. Project manager is a professional who leads the project from planning phase to closing phase. A project manager is overall responsible for the project to make planning, budget, procurement, execution, monitoring and control, reports, and finally close out the project. Customer. Customer is a person or an organization who receives or consumes the product or service. In project management, mostly clients are the customers. Consumer. A consumer is a customer who actually consumes the product or service. A customer can purchase, but if he will not consume, he will not be a consumer. Next, we will discuss project, program, and portfolio. As we discussed before, a project is a series of specific tasks that is completed in order to produce a specific outcome in a specified time frame. Program. A program is a process to manage and deliver the multiple related projects to improve performance and efficiency of an organization. Portfolio. Portfolio refers to work together with different projects, programs, and sub-portfolios for efficient management to achieve the goals of an organization. Project management. Project management is a practice to determine the project scope and objectives. This practice is responsible for the project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and project closing to achieve its goal in a specified time frame. Program management. Program management is a practice to manage and deliver multiple similar projects under an umbrella to obtain more benefits for an organization. Portfolio management. Portfolio management is a centralized practice to manage and deliver different projects, programs, and sub-portfolios for efficient management to achieve the goals of an organization. Project manager. A project manager is a professional who leads and overall responsible for the project. He makes planning, budget, procurement, execution, monitoring and control, prepare reports, and finally close out the project. Program manager. A program manager is a professional who supervises the multiple similar projects and leads their project managers to increase the performance and efficiency of an organization. Portfolio manager. A portfolio manager is a professional who manages different projects, programs, subportfolios, and leads the project and program managers to achieve the goals of an organization. A portfolio manager plans schedules, allocate resources for different projects and programs for their success and faster delivery. Project Management Office. Project Management Office is a department within an organization that defines and maintains project standards. Project Management Office develops project management strategies, prepare all documents, responsible to train project management staff, manage shared resources, and coordinate between multiple projects. Project Management Office Manager. Project Management Office Manager is a professional within an organization who leads a professional team to define and maintain project standards, procedures, strategies, methodologies, and project documentation. Organizational Project Management. Organizational project management is referred to the systematic management of projects, programs, and portfolios within an organization for its strategic objectives. Next, we will see project versus product. Project and product are confusing terms. They sound similar, but practically both are different from each other. Project and product management require different techniques, mindset, and skills. A project is a series of specific tasks that is completed in order to produce a specific outcome in a specified time frame, while a product is a service or an item that is made for consumers. Products are ongoing and needs based. The differences between a project and a product. Simply, the projects are for clients while the products are for consumers. A consumer care about the services provided to him or items he purchased. He didn't care about projects. A project is a process while a product is an effort. Projects are temporary, unique, requirement based, closed after completion. While products are ongoing, similar item or services need based, permanent and continuous improvements and retired when there is no demand. Now we will see project management and product management. Project management is a practice to determine the project scope and objectives. This practice is responsible for project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, control, and project closing to achieve its goal in a specified time frame. While the product management is a general organizational role inside a company to organize the planning, developing, marketing, selling, and other relevant tasks for any item or service creation. Project manager versus product manager. A project manager is a professional who leads and overall responsible for the project. He makes planning, budget, procurement, execution, monitoring and control, prepare reports and finally close out the project. While a product manager is a professional inside an organization who leads and is responsible for the success of a product. A product manager has a responsibility from product concept to design, production, cost and quality control, marketing and selling out. Next is project versus operation. In all organizations, there are two types of work. One is project and second is operations. A simple example of project and operation is new construction of a school is a project, and after construction, the daily classes are operation. Project is a planned activity for a finite time to achieve a specific goal, while operation is a permanent and ongoing activity to produce similar and repetitive services or products. Differences between project and operations. Projects are temporary and finite, unique, new business or product, fixed budget, more risks, performance based, and use project management, while operations are permanent and routine activity, similar outputs, maintain systems. Budget is not fixed. For profit earning, it can be varied, fewer risks, efficiency based, and use business process management. Project examples: construction of a new power plant, a new model of a car, a new cell phone. These are project examples. While operation examples: electricity generation from a power plant, staff management, productions, delivery services, payroll, accounting, etc. An example to explain project and operations. Construction of a kitchen is a project, as it's unique, temporary, and have a start and end date, while daily cooking in this kitchen is an operation, as it's ongoing and routine work. Operation management. Operation management is a practice that deals with production processes and other business operations inside an organization. In operation management, resources are converted into services and goods to maximize the organization profit. An operation manager is responsible for material, labor, productivity, quality control, safety, and all other operational processes. Next, we will discuss project management methodologies. Project management methodology is a systematic approach, a set of principles and processes to manage a project. In other words, project management methodology is a basic infrastructure, a set of guiding practices, processes, and methods for any project. Project management have a number of methodologies as projects are performed by different approaches. Here we will discuss some popular project management methodologies. Waterfall project management methodology, Scrum project management methodology, Agile project management methodology, Kanban project management methodology, Prince2 project management methodology, Six Sigma project management methodology, Lean project management methodology, Hybrid project management methodology, PMI Pinbook Guide. It's basically a guide, not a methodology. There are some other methodologies also, but those are not in practice much more. Critical path method, project management methodology, critical chain project management methodology, adaptive project management methodology, extreme project management methodology. Now we will discuss project life cycle. Each project have a lifetime, and during this lifetime it passes through different phases. These phases are called project life cycle. Project life cycle is a framework to manage any type of project. It provides guidelines to project managers for successful completion of projects. Typically, a project life cycle consists of following four phases: initiation, planning, execution, and closing. In some methodologies, monitoring and control is also considered as a project life cycle phase. Project managers follow these phases to manage any project from start to completion. Project management process groups: project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing are also called project management process groups. Project initiation phase. Project initiation is the first phase and it's very important to meet successful business needs from a project. Project initiation phase determines the project idea, business case, nature, goals, scope, project charter, feasibility study, risks, success criteria, stakeholders, and financial analysis. Project planning phase. Every project required a detailed plan for its execution and to guide the project team. The planning phase covers methodology, tasks, schedule, budget, resources, quality, risks, procurement, and communication plan. Time, cost, and resources are main focused element in project planning. The project execution phase. In project execution phase, the planning is converted into an action and a project is carried out. Deliverables are built according to client or customer's demand. Time, cost, quality, risks, procurement, issues, changings and communication are performed as per planning. A project manager supervises and manages all the execution activities and allocate human and other resources as per project requirement. Project monitoring and control. Project monitoring and control runs parallel with execution phase. During execution, each project is continuously monitored and controlled. The project activities and variables are measured and monitored. Also, corrective actions are taken if required. Project closing phase. Project closing is the final stage of project life cycle. In closing phase, project all activities are finalized, project is evaluated and documented, project is officially closed and resources are returned back to their owners. The results are analyzed and learnings are summarized for future projects.